confection that is so easy and just beyond delicious. Let's get started. First off, we're making a super easy graham cracker crust. And if you don't have graham crackers around, you can basically use any cookie. As a chopped up of toasted pecans, and always toast your pecans. It is so important to use there if you're using some sweet cookies, but graham crackers are just kind of like a little sweet. All right, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. You can lower this if you want, like you don't have. It is so important to use toasted nuts when you bake. It makes a huge difference. They're very fragrant. How thick do you want the crust? 1 cup of toasted pecans, and always toast your pecans. I'm gonna use about 16 to 18 of these crackers. It's kind of up to you.